Hey friends, Luck here. So today we're going to be looking at some customization tips for the Mi Pad 5 from Xiaomi. So we're going to be looking at customization of icons. We're also going to be looking at customization of the fonts. So for you to make the Mi Pad 5 personally your own and everything you like about the Mi Pad 5. So the first thing we need to do is go into the settings. So in the settings, we just need to go into the wallpaper and personalization. So once we get into the wallpaper and personalization, we just click on icons. So in the icons part, you can change the icons to anything that you want. So it originally comes with the classic icons, but you can pick more icons with whatever style you want. So you just choose more icons and it gives you a preset of icons that are ready for you to download. So to download the icons are pretty easy, and there are lots of icons for you to choose from for you to enjoy. So you just click on the icon and you click on download. So once you click on download, it takes a few seconds depending on your internet, and it downloads and you click apply. So once you click apply, it just changes the whole icon design of your device. So once it changes the icon design of your device, you can basically choose whatever icons you want. It does change all of them with some icons, but with other icons it leaves some of the settings the same or some of the icons the same. So for example, if we use this particular icon, it does leave some of them in a similar way, so you have to be sure of whatever icon that you are going to be using. So in terms of the font, it's basically the same thing. You go into your settings as well, you click on wallpaper and personalization, you click default fonts. So in the default fonts, you just click the dot 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 next to the device itself and you get different fonts that you're able to download from. So you have the paid ones and you also have the free versions. So once you choose any one of them that you want to download, you can change your font to that particular one, and it just depends on you and how you feel about each font that you want to use. So once it's downloaded, you have to click apply. Once you click apply, then it just applies the settings pretty quickly and everything on the device changes automatically. So this is just a customization tip. You can customize the Mi Pad 5 to whatever way you like or whatever design you like. So any questions that you have about the customization of the Mi Pad 5 or any settings that you want to talk about, you can feel free to leave a comment down below. So thank you guys so much for watching. This was just a short video on customization, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.